To set up email forwarding in Brightspace, go to the email icon up on top. Select email. And then over on the right hand side there's a blue gear icon called settings, and here you have all the different options for setting up your email. And I scroll down here, select this box, enter the email address I want the emails to be forwarded to, and hit save. Now when you respond in your alternate email box, they will go backwards back to the student through the Brightspace system. But because there are times, depending on the carrier, that those messages can be delayed, I would highly recommend that you do check your Brightspace emails on a regular basis, even though you are forwarding them to your alternate email, because sometimes those delays can be excessive and students will miss opportunities to communicate with you in an efficient method. Alright, if you have any further questions about this, please contact Caleb or I. We're in the basement of Cowan Hall, room 110. Thank you.